Meaning of E M Forster.
E M Forster.
E M Forster.
E M Forster.
E M Forster. E M Forster is the pen name of English novelist, short story writer, and essayist Edward Morgan Forster. He is best known for his novels A Passage to India, Howard's End, and A Room with a View. Forster's writing explores themes of class differences, sexual repression, and the clash between modernity and tradition. His distinctive style is characterized by insightful social commentary, vivid character portrayals, and introspective reflection. Forster's works remain influential today and are widely regarded as classics of English literature.